Hi, I'm Assistant District Attorney Layla Day, a fictional character in the audio series A Special Kind of Love. In Season 1, you had the opportunity to learn a lot about my love interest, Carl Knight. In Season 2, you'll learn more about me, my daughter, and why my marriage ended in divorce. A lot more will be shared in the episodes to come. If you haven't heard Season 1 of A Special Kind of Love, you can find it on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and iHeartRadio at aspecialkindoflove.audio series. For those that have been following the story, Episode 3 of Season 2 will be released on April 27, 2025. Remember to like and follow us on this platform and stay connected for more of A Special Kind of Love.